if you're anything like me, you love hanging your clothes outside on the clothesline to dry. Is one of my favorite parts of summer. Not only is it more environmentally friendly, it's also a lot cheaper because you're not having to use your dryer and using electricity. I also do not like to use fabric softener. I quit using fabric softener about 4 years ago because of all the harsh chemicals that are in it, and really they're unnecessary ingredients. But the problem is when you do not use fabric softener and you hang clothes out on the line to dry, this is what happens. It's very stiff, very crunchy. It's not very comfortable. You don't want to dry yourself off with this. So I'm going to show you guys how you can make your very own toxic-free fabric softener at home. Now, the best thing to use is a glass fluted bottle. I do not like to use anything plastic because we use vinegar in this recipe. Vinegar will get in through the plastic, and that's toxic in itself. So it's best to use glass. It's best to use a fluted glass bottle. I do not have one. Instead, I reuse this applesauce container here. I like to reuse things I already have. It's just part of homesteading. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is get a funnel, and you want 1 cup of baking soda. Add that in there. Now, like I mentioned a second ago, we're going to use a cup of white distilled vinegar. Now, since we're trying to not make a volcano, we will make fabric softener. You obviously know that vinegar and baking soda will react together, so you want to pour it in very slowly because it will start to react. Very slowly. There we go. The vinegar and the baking soda together will help to make your clothes nice and soft in the washing machine. There we go. Let that settle for a second. Then you want to add in 2 cups of filtered water. So let's go ahead and add that in. Now, obviously, the vinegar does not smell very good, and you do not want your clothes smelling like vinegar. So, to fix that, use essential oils. I like to use lavender, and you want to use between 10 and 15 drops. I like to use about 12. Young Living actually has different ones that you can use. Just choose your favorite scent. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. May not seem like a lot for this container, but a little bit of essential oils goes a long way. They have different kinds of scents, and they actually have one for fresh linen. But I like the smell of lavender, especially on our regular clothes, especially like on pajamas. It's nice and comforting. Now you want to just take it and shake it together. And there you go. All you have to do now is add it to the washing machine, and it's your own liquid fabric softener.